today we are packing food for the vulnerable in and around LS10.
Over Monday and Tuesday we're delivering to 40 families each day, which is around about 118 adults and children.
DAZL have taken on this role because we play a massive part in the community around LS10 and other areas in Leeds. And we feel like during lockdown it's really important that we give back to the vulnerable and support those that support us.
Well, I'd hate to think actually what will happen. The amount of families being in touch with us that are not receiving any kind of support, I'd hate to think, but probably they'd be going without anything.
Today we've got lots of volunteers from 5 Ways Leeds. We've got Stacey, David, Stuart and Darren, and we've also got Connor. Connor's from our inclusive group. We have them volunteering every Monday. It's really important for these guys to volunteer because at the moment they can't attend their weekly meetings at the 5 Way hub, so bringing them out of the house and giving them some outlook is really important for them. Also, they want to give back to DAZL because every week these guys receive dance fitness as part of their programme, so they wanted to give back to DAZL and help and do this for us and our community.
I'm volunteering for DAZL and delivering and sorting out food parcels, collecting food for the communities, local communities. I've been involved with DAZL's dance class and then I found out that they were kind of like doing stuff for the communities through the lockdown, and I just thought, it'd be nice to give back and get involved, yeah.
So it's important to me, as I mentioned, because otherwise I'm just totally isolated and not seeing anybody at all. So firstly, to stop my isolation and starting my recovery again. Secondly, these are friends now, do you know what I mean? And also on top of that, it makes me feel good to give back to the community.
It means a lot. It brings me out of my shell. It brings me around, gets me around people. It helps me give back. I'm with so much really great company and so much fun. I love being here.
Well, if we didn't do this, I imagine that there'd be 118 families that would struggle to be able to provide food for their families. This is a really, really important time for everybody to be pulling together and to be helping each other out. And it's the least that DAZL can do for the families that come and support us every week with their weekly dance classes. It's really important that we know that we're helping the community and making sure that the children are fed and just making sure that families can sit down together at tea time and have a meal.